How to darken background on Photoshop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to darken background on Photoshop. So in order to do this, you could follow the steps. Now first of all, to get started, you need to select the background. So find the object section tool to work best, but you could also feel free to use any selection tool that suits your need. So you could see, to use the object selection tool, hover over to the area that you want to select, and then selected part will be highlighted in vibrant pink, and click to create the section. After which, on the step number 2, you want to go to the image and then go to adjustment, and you want to press the levels. Now you could see to the right, then you could darken the image. I'll move the middle toggle to the right a significant amount to dark the sky, and then I move the rightmost toggle to the left to bring a small amount of brightness back into the cloud. Now each image will need a different level of adjustment and settings as well. Now for the step number 3, what you need to do is press Ctrl Command plus D to deselect the image and remove the section line, and you're done. So this is the final result. So as you can see, this is how you could go ahead and make it. Now there you have a straight way to darken the background in Photoshop. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.